Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this video, not even this video, this whole December, you guys will get to see me every single day because we are going to be doing Vlogmas 25 days till Christmas. So first things first. Vlogmas is basically where you vlog every day up until Christmas. And yeah, that sounds super fun. And literally every day we kind of see a little bit about what everybody or how everybody prepares for the holidays. Before we get into this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what are you looking forward to for the holidays. And subscribe if you are new. Hi, my name is Elizabeth and I do a lot of DIYs, motherhood vlogs, and challenges, and a little bit of everything. So hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on. And let's just get right into this Vlogmas day 1. So if you want to see how I did this mirrored box centerpiece, then keep on watching. First things first, you're going to need 10 of these little mirrored squares that I found at the Dollar Tree, 2 floral foams, 1 foam board, hot glue, a ruler, and an X-Acto knife. You're also going to need some ornament decors like the little reindeers, and some ribbons, and at least 4 packs of ornament in different sizes. First, you want to get 4 of the mirrors and line them up on the foam board, and just go ahead and secure it down with some hot glue. Make sure to put a lot of hot glue because one of my mirrors chipped because I didn't put enough hot glue on it. Now just cut the foam out, and I used a ruler so my cutting, like the edges, would be like neat and not like all messed up. You should have something like this. I'm going to do another one just like that one. So you'll have 2 of like a long rectangle box. You should have 2 pieces like this so far. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of my mirror and I am going to trace another rectangle piece for my bottom. With the last 2 mirrors, you want to go ahead and attach them to the sides with some hot glue. And this is how it should look by now. It looks so good, but obviously we're missing the bottom piece. Now you can either attach the bottom first or you can attach the side first. I just decided to put the sides first so it could stand up. And this is how that looks now. Now you can go ahead and apply the bottom piece with some hot glue. And this is how your mirrored box should look. But now that your box is done, go ahead and hot glue the 2 floral foams inside of the mirrored box, like in the middle. And then you want to add some scrunched up paper to fill it in. That'll give the ornament some type of height. All you want to do now is just arrange the ornament balls to your liking. There is no right or wrong way, guys. You can stack this up however you like, but I just went ahead and kind of did different patterns of big, small, and medium ornament balls. After that, I went ahead and pushed the 2 reindeers in the center just to give it kind of like that Christmassy feel. And obviously you didn't need glue for that. All you had to do was just push it in the foam. I got this mirrored box idea from another YouTuber from last year. So if I find her account again, I'll leave it in the description for you guys. But I am going to fast forward this part, which is just me kind of taking out and rearranging my balls. You want to make sure to obviously add some smaller balls and like around the reindeer so it doesn't like hide all of them. I forgot to mention that I ended up using hot glue to like hot glue some of the ones that were on top because it kept falling down. But if you want, you can. You don't have to use hot glue. This is how it turned out, guys. How does it look? I am in love with this mirrored box. It is so pretty. If I find the one that I did last year, I'll put a picture of it on the screen so you guys can see how I did mines from last year. This is like great if you're on a budget, and even if you're not, it's gorgeous. And like I said, everything was from Dollar Tree. But that's the end of Vlogmas day number 1. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that notification bell on so you can be notified when I upload my next video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day number 2. Bye!